Yeah. Lately I've been fighting demons, slap boxing with a ghost. Little devil on my shoulder, I've been trying to let him go. All these pretty women around me, all they wanna do is bone. Tugging on my line and I ain't answering the phone. Mind on a million, couldn't fathom all the stress I've been feeling. Tried to pray about it, but I fell asleep. In the middle, I don't rest. Hell, I really close my eyes for a little, for the sun's coming up. Then it's back to the grizzle eye. Beast on these beats, famished, I'm finna feast. This is for all my students that ask about a release date for a mixtape or video, whatever. Know I'm always on a mission for greatness, I never settle on any aspect of life. If I'ma do it, best believe that I'm doing it right. You only get one shot, might as well let it rip. Put your best foot forward and prepare for the trip. Hey, being average ain't an option for a king. Regina wasn't having it, I had to be supreme. My pappy was a savage with the ladies, so I deem him the reason why I keep some all-stars on the team. You know I gotta keep 'em in golden state of mind, I put in time for the ring. Chemistry is the key to be part of a winning team. Pardon me why I take a few shots in a line of beam. Yeah. What's the world coming to? Got me running to a number 2. Pencil after praying, got the writing to this cold instrumental. This here is instrumental for your mental. Devils come around when they find out what you into. Then they try to nail you to the cross when they find out that you